long do you cook a potato for? Minutes. Okay. My hand is getting tired. I said we rounded up to 10. I think that's a lucky number. I thought it turned black. Sorry, I got nervous. Okay, 10 minutes, chat. Hold up. I will give you as you please. Oh, dude, these look like... Dude, this looks like if I was a man, my balls would be this shade. I'm gonna be real with you, dude. Alright, how are the potatoes doing? Not done. Watch this.
Is slapping the potatoes with a pan important, or can I skip that step
Scoopsy
when making
potato,
this at
scoopsy
home?
potato. It's not even funny. I spent like 30 minutes.